my 3D perlers. As you can see, I have a lot of space before to put them, and then now that I have a new space and I haven't decided like where I should put them, and I don't have a lot of space right now because I was gonna buy like a bookshelf and then place all of them. So sad. So I have to fix some of them. This is one of my favorite. So hopefully I can find my bookshelf in these 2 weeks so I can put them in a nice way, and I have a glass display, so I think I'm gonna work on that as well. Let me see what I can find here. So I think I have all my Pikachus right here. Let me see, what do I found? Okay, my small items, my mini, the mini perlers that I made. Okay, I gotta be careful of these because they're very easy to break. And then, let me see. So what I'm going to show, my cinnamon Pikachu is right here. Oh my god, I need to take you out right now because you're super, super cute. Okay, so, what I need to find looks like it's not here. My little collection. So right here, all of my Pikachu, they're here. And my Fisley collection, they're also here. So let me see what I'm trying to find here. Let's go through here. Okay. Looks like they're not in the boxes. Yeah, you can see I have a whole bunch over here. Alright, let me get those buckets. I think I still have more. Okay, so I found some more. My Sailor Moon collection, they're right here. Actually, I found what I needed is right here. Oh, look at my little unicorn right here. So this box is exactly what I was looking for. Alright, let's get started.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So summer is officially over, and then I hope everyone's ready for the fall season, which is gonna make us a little bit more lazy. Like lately I haven't been able to unpack my 3D perler, as you can see in the earlier clips, and I was trying to find the bookshelf. I already found one from IKEA, but they have been out of stock and not showing when they're gonna be available. That one's perfect for my 3D perler because it has like 6 levels, 6 layers, where I think I can put everything on it. But hopefully they're gonna have it in stock soon so I can place all my 3D perlers figures there. But if you have any good idea how I should display them, please comment below and let me know. So as you can see in my earlier clips, I found these cuties. This collection I made it long time ago, but I never shared the tutorial, so I wanted to show you guys how to make the Pikachu version today. So I made this long time ago. I found the pattern from Pinterest. So I was like, oh, actually I want to customize it. I want to make it to the color, the shape, like the pattern that I like. So I kind of use that pattern and modify it. So this one is like a corgi that has the drumstick on the top, because I had a corgi long time ago. He looks just like this. He has a little pattern right here. My friends sometimes call him like teabag. And then I also made like a heart on the top and also like heart on the side, because he kind of had those feather like the hair that kind of look like that. So I was like, oh, okay, this is how he looked like. And then I also made this like a creamy strawberry, which I really like as well. And then on the top it can have like a little hole to land this little apple onto the top. And then I also made the Pikachu versions. I made these two. Actually I had a Pokeball onto the top. I need to look for it so it can land onto the top. And then this is the Smiley Pikachu, and then this one is the Detective Pikachu. So he looks a little bit more serious, and he had the hat onto the top. This one you can also like customize a hat just to place it onto the top. This one is also removable, so it's super cute. And this is gonna be the one I'm gonna show you today. But I want to let you know that Yeah, so if you make it with the regular size bead, it's gonna be very huge. It's gonna be more work. But if you're gonna make it with mini bead, they're gonna look like this. It's super cute and it's very fast to make it. So I would recommend mini bead. So let's get started.
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Alright, so let's get started. Since there's not many pieces, I'm gonna lay them out and we're gonna build it together like this. Alright, so it's just like a box. So think about a box, we need 4 sides, right? So these 2 will be the sides, and then these 2 will be facing the front, as you can see. So let's connect them together first. Just like so, on one side. And then on the other side. Again, you can do this with like mini beads or regular beads, but with regular bead it will be a lot of pieces, so just keep in mind. And then this piece is gonna be hop onto the back, and as you can see, this part right here is left for the tail. All right, so now we already have the cube, right, 4 sides. And then let's add the bottom piece right here. I think it's the same on both sides. Yeah, it's very even. So just take your time and then pop this to the bottom. Looking good. As you can see, this project is actually pretty easy. So this is gonna be the top piece, and then this is a little bit challenging because you can see we actually have to slide the holes through here and also this one right here. So let's give it a try. So usually I just will try to go to one side. Yeah, okay. And then just push it to the front sometimes. Yeah, so I got it in, and then also the other side, the same thing. Let me see. Okay, so this one just open a little bit, so it should be able to slide through. If not, we can use like a tool, just kind of guide it in and then move other pieces. Now with clip, right? Yeah, so always use tools if that's available to you, because with mini beads sometimes it's just very easy to break the pieces. But you know, they usually still stay on one side, like this piece. You can still keep it like that. Yeah. But feel free to take a break and then just fix the piece if they happen to break. Alright, so now we got this. Alright, now it comes to the legs. Alright, so the legs is actually pretty easy. As you can see, they're kind of pair. So these 2 pairs will be in the front. These 2 pairs will be in the back. So we're using 2 pieces here to build the legs. Okay, so let's pick up this piece right here, and then we're gonna add it like this. Yep. All right, and then this one is gonna be like a plus sign to close on the other end. All right, so let's do this one on this side again. Yeah, so pop it into this, and then this one will be like an X. Yeah, all right, so we got the fit in on the front. Let's do the back. So actually either way is fine. So just pop it on here and then close with this one. Looking good, we're almost done here. So I just want to make them even, but which piece you use will have the same effect. You will get it done. See? Now it can stand on its own, right? But we're not done. Let's finish with the tail, okay? So let's build the tails together first. As you can see, we have this piece that is different from the other 2 because this piece will be in the center. Okay, so let's add these pieces together. Alright, so now we add them together. We have to use the connector so they can stay together. So let me see. Let's do the back with the brown color. So this one is gonna be like an X right here. Yep, looking good. And then this piece right here is gonna connect to stabilize these right here. Oops. Take your time because they do move around. So this one just simply place it to the top. And then we got two more pieces here to stabilize it. So it goes to the back. And then the first one is right here to stabilize it. Yep. Once you get this one in, you know, your piece is, you know, won't wobble like that. So this one, there's just slide it into the center. Yay, you hear that sound? I love that sound because that means that it works. All right, so now we're gonna add the tail into our Pikachu, right? All right, so it's just very easy. You see the hole and then we just slide it in. But be careful again with the mini bee because sometimes it's easier to break. So once you push it in and then use this to lock it. Now we got it done. All right, so we're not done completely because we have the Detective Pikachu head. So let's add on. All right, now let's get the head for Detective's head for Pikachu. All right, so this is gonna be the order how they should be added together, and then these two are the connector. All right, let's use this piece and connect it right here, and then we're gonna do the add-on. So this piece is also right here. Let's see if we can just add them together. So this is second piece to add to the top. All right, third piece. And we're almost there. Take your time because this one goes to the small one, right? Okay. I can't already see, like, it's not staying in. So always have patience, take your time, or use tools. This one, let's see. Yeah, looking good. And then just one more piece right here. Just add it right here, then we should be done. Oh, see, using my nail is good. And then this one from the top, pop it to the back because this is where we're gonna insert it here. So put the head onto Pikachu, so become Detective Pikachu. Yay, we got it done. Isn't it easy? Oops, zoom in too much. Okay. Yeah, so I hope you make this one, and if you do, tell me on Instagram so I can see it and share with others that they can make something that they love and then playful as well. All right, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.